Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to sign up your X account on an Android device. Make sure your internet connection is stable for smoother sign up. Come across this page in which you can see continue with Google or create account. Firstly, let's see what's in continue with Google. Tap on it. Here you can see accounts of email addresses that you can use. I'll create create account. So I'll go back and create one. I'll choose English. Then you'll come across create your account. Then enter your name. I'll type my name and then your email address. Then also add your birth date. Then click on next. After that, and then you have to make sure that you are a real person, so click on authenticate. Then you have to solve this puzzle to identify as a human being. After matching all these puzzle, then click on submit. Then you'll be identified as a human. Make sure you match all the fives, and they will send you your verification code to your Gmail address. Make sure you have got your verification code. Go and your search for the verification code. I have got one. I'll copy it and then I'll paste it. Then click on next. Now you have to make sure that you create a password of 8 characters or more using hashtag or @ to make your password more secure. Create one. I have entered my password and then click on sign up. After that, after creating one, click on next. Then they will ask you if you want to pick your profile picture or not. You can create your username. They'll ask you if you want your notification to be turned on or who can see who is on X. If you have your contacts, then they can see you. Your friends, you can follow some of it. Thank you for watching this video. Now you have been officially logged into your Twitter account. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.